Crested Barbet watches from above, perfectly still. Its eyes lock onto movement in the grass below. A snail. In one quick leap, the barbet drops from the branch and disappears into the tall green grass. Snails may look slow, but they're a valuable meal. They're rich in protein and calcium, essential for strong bones and healthy eggs. The barbet grips its prey and begins the work. Using its powerful bill, it rips the snail free from its shell. The shell is left behind. Too hard to swallow, too risky. The body is large, so the bird tears off smaller pieces, adjusting its grip, trying again. Piece by piece, the meal goes down. Not every hunt is fast, but every successful meal is a victory. For the Crested Barbet, even a quiet patch of grass can hide a challenge worth mastering. Yellow-billed pintails splash and preen, sending ripples across the water. Bathing isn't just play, it's essential. Clean feathers mean insulation, waterproofing, and the ability to fly efficiently. Weeks earlier, back in my garden, a familiar sound cut through the air. The distinct call of a scimitar bill. I looked up to see him hopping from tree to tree, alert, almost patrolling. Then I noticed it. A small hole in the trunk. The same nesting cavity once used by cardinal woodpeckers. Inside, a fledgling. New feathers still forming, dark brown plumage shimmering softly on its chest. Protected, hidden, watching the world for the first time. Moments like this don't happen often, and when they do, they stay with you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow